Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make veggie eggs, which is basically fried eggs with vegetables because we need to increase our vegetable intake. So kindly like my channel, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and let's get down to making the best eggs you've ever tasted. So in a heated skillet, I'll be adding some oil. Now I'll be adding some curry and thyme. I do this all the time with my spices because I like to release the essence while developing flavors. Now I added my coarsely blended peppers and onions, and once it has sweated a bit, I'll be adding some all-purpose seasoning. So whether you're using the dry one or the fresh one like I do, I have a video on how I make my fresh all-purpose seasoning. It works perfect for this dish. Then I went ahead and added a bit of salt, giving that a good stir, and I'm adding my seasoned frozen vegetables. You can use fresh vegetables, I used frozen ones, and then my bell peppers. These were seasoned with mixed spices. Give that a good stir, and now it's time to add our eggs. Now we're doing all this on very low heat by using an enamel cast iron. So low heat is just perfect for these eggs because when you fry your eggs or cook your vegetables on low heat, for some reason it becomes sweeter because it gradually cooks. And then you give that a good stir like you would do scrambled eggs, and fam, this egg is ready. Like, it was so moist and juicy, like every bite is like oh my god. I had mine with boiled yam and it was amazing. Thank you so much for going on this journey with me. Until next time, guys.